The lineup is finally here. I can't believe I'm saying this, that the lineup is finally here. Casemiro is playing his first and his last game for Manchester United. He is playing his last game at Old Trafford today. Look at this man. This man is playing his last game with pride. He needs to win this game for Manchester United, because how in the world can you play your last game for Manchester United and you don't win? So this is the lineup for Manchester United versus Nottingham Forest. We have Senny Lemons, then we have Diego Dallo, we have Amad Diallo, we have Brian Mbuemo, we have Kobe Mainu, we have Lisandro Martinez, and we have Harry Maguire and Luke Shaw and Kobe Mainu. This is Manchester United's lineup for Nottingham Forest today. Joshua Zirkzee starting off the bench again. Joshua Zirkzee should have started for this game, but Brian Mbuemo is starting this game. And Lisandro Martinez is back from his red card suspension. He is playing his full game. But Benjamin Sesko is not playing today because due to an injury. He will probably be back when we play against Brighton. And Casemiro, this is his last game. I wish him luck wherever he goes to. And good luck. Farewell, my brother.